So the time has come, it's finally here. Got the X Max. Engine harness. Power harness. EV6 injector harness. Yeah. With the SD card. I wasn't expecting it. You know, to come with a pen, some sticky adhesive. So this must be some type of dock here. Maybe. So you can stick it on your dash. Boom. Band. I'm guessing this is the input-output harness for boost controller, trans brake, line lock, whatever you hook up to it. And then this here, I'm not sure, kind of looks like a coil plug. I don't know. We'll have to see what that is all about. I'm excited, y'all. Straight up geeked. The beloved is in here. There it is. I figured this would be a lot lighter than it is for being plastic, but it actually feels like heavy. It feels like it's metal. Like weight-wise and feel-wise. Scratch is like plastic though. There's the comes with a wideband bung, and then these little nipples are for the 1-bar map sensor. So put that back in there. See what's in this other box over here. This is complicated. This one hand thing. Boom. Because it looked like everything was in that box, so I don't have a clue what this is. Oh, the transmission harness with the relay and the fuse. Nice. So, trying to get it all plugged in tonight. Roll through the steps. I'll do a little video on setting up the tune. See if we can get her started back up. Alright, y'all. Peace out.